Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on your VIVO X300. So basically, first of all, you'll need to have a Google app. If you don't have the Google, you'll need to download it from the App Store. So if you have a Google already, open up your Google, tap your account icon and go down here to settings, and here you'll see the Google Assistant menu. Open it up and scroll down to general settings and simply turn on the Google Assistant. So basically that's it. Now you have a Google Assistant enabled. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.